Today I will walk you through how to set up and manage your workload while out of the office with Ironclad. Ironclad's out of the office feature ensures your workflows continue smoothly even when you're away by designating someone to handle your approvals. Let's start by talking about what the out of office feature includes. Out of office status. This allows users to set a personalized out of the office message so that all users know their availability wherever their name appears. And out of the office reassignment, which must be enabled by a company admin for users to use, but gives users the ability to choose a designee so that new workflows are automatically reassigned while they are away. Now let me show you what this looks like in practice. I am on my company's legal ops team and will be going on vacation for the next 2 weeks. To ensure I have zero work distractions, I will set up my out of office in Ironclad. With just a few clicks, I can set my status to out of office and leave a message for my teammates. I can also add in the dates I will be away so that everyone knows I will not be responding during that time. Because the reassignment functionality is turned on for my org, I am able to choose a member of my team as a designee. I will reassign everything to Eva Legal. While it is not mandatory for me to choose a designee, it is good practice to ensure there is a backup approver for contracts that are sent to me, and alleviates a backlog when I return. I will also make sure to choose either a peer or my manager to ensure that the delegation of authority is adhered to. My out-of-office status will be visible to others immediately after setting it, and when I return, I will still have access to the workflows that were reassigned while I was out. A view will automatically be created in the dashboard for both myself and my designee so that we can both easily find the reassigned contracts. If you're new to Ironclad or have been around a while, here is a quick reminder that all our admins can view a company out-of-office statuses in the User and Groups section. And they can also see the status on a dashboard or workflow page. Now let's see this reassignment in action. While I'm away exploring Costa Rica, a contract is sent to me for approval. Ironclad will automatically reassign it to my designee, Eva, so I don't have to worry, and log this change in the activity feed so I can fully unplug while on vacation. Now let's see what Eva, our legal executive, sees as my assigned designee. Eva receives an email notification letting her know she has been selected as my backup and the start and end dates of my out of office. When Eva logs into Ironclad, she will also see a new dashboard view listing all the reassigned workflows. This way, Eva can handle approvals and keep everything moving smoothly. Once I return, I will also have the dashboard view of everything that was reassigned, and if I need to reclaim any workflows from Eva, she can reassign them to me directly, or I can ask her company admin to use the Ironclad Reassign Workflows in Bulk feature. And there you have it. Ironclad's out-of-office feature is designed to keep your workflow uninterrupted, even when you're away. It's easy to set up and ensures that your important tasks are always handled. Happy travels!